Awaken your senses. Dive into the world of sensory experiences. Hello everyone, welcome to our journey through the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a fascinating phrase, awaken the senses. This phrase is not just about understanding words but also about feeling and experiencing them. So, let's dive in and explore how this phrase can enrich your communication and understanding of English. The phrase, awaken the senses, is quite poetic and is often used to describe a situation or experience that makes you fully aware and alive, especially through the senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. But what does it really mean to awaken these senses? It's about stimulating, energizing, or bringing attention to the senses, making someone experience the world around them in a more intense and vivid way. You can use this phrase in various contexts. 1. Descriptive writing. In literature or descriptive writing, awaken the senses is a powerful tool to create vivid imagery. For example, the aroma of the blooming jasmine in the garden was enough to awaken the senses. 2. Advertising and marketing. Brands often use this phrase to highlight the sensory impact of their products, like in a perfume advertisement. Our new fragrance will awaken your senses. 3. Everyday conversation. While it's more poetic, you can use it in daily conversations to express a strong, sensory experience. For instance, the first sip of my morning coffee really awakens my senses. Let's see how awaken the senses can be incorporated into sentences. The vibrant colors of the sunset at the beach awakened my senses after a long, tiring day. The concert was so powerful, it truly awakened the senses of everyone in the audience. A walk in the forest is all you need to awaken your senses and reconnect with nature. Awaken the senses is a beautiful and expressive phrase that adds depth and vividness to our language. It's more than words, it's an experience, a way to describe moments that touch our lives deeply and make us feel truly alive. We hope this video has awakened your senses to the beauty of English and has helped you understand how to use this phrase in different contexts. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.